Hey, it's Sunday night, and you know what that means. That's right, it's pasta night. And tonight's pasta, I'm going to show you how to make a very quick southern spaghetti. One of my favorites, although I probably say that a lot about most dishes that I'm making. But the dishes that I'm making in the moment are my favorites, because, you know, I cook in the moment and that's what I feel like eating, so it is going to be my favorite dish. I'm going to make a spaghetti with anchovies, garlic, some parsley breadcrumbs, although they're going to be chive breadcrumbs, because I have no parsley, so I went out to the garden and got some chives, a little zest of lemon, and Calabrian chili for heat. What's great about this pasta, besides it's so flavorful and it's tasty, is it's so quick to make. By the time the pasta's cooked, everything else is ready to go to throw your pasta in the pan. So that's great. Let's survey the ingredients. So of course we have spaghetti. I have some sliced garlic here. Anchovies. People that don't eat anchovies, you got to get over anchovies. It's such a umami flavor. When you use it correctly, it's not really fishy. It just adds so much to dishes. These are toasted Parmesan, pecorino breadcrumbs. I have chives in here. I usually use parsley, but I don't have any, so I'm substituting chives. We're going to give it amp it up a little flavor with some little lemon zest and some heat with some Calabrian chilies. I really like to use those chilies a lot in different dishes. And I have pecorino and Parmesan, but I'm probably going to use just pecorino. Add spaghetti to salted boiling water. Not a lot of water, because I want the water to be starchy. I'm going to use the pasta water for the sauce. So I want a saute pan. I'm going to place it over medium-high heat, add some sliced garlic, thinly sliced, and I'm going to toast that lightly. I'm not going to brown it. I don't want a robust flavor. Next goes in the anchovies. They are going to cook in the olive oil and dissolve a bit. You're not even going to see them in the pasta sauce. Then the Calabrian chilies, I want a little more. That's the sauce. It's an olive oil sauce. I'm going to set that aside. Let's check the pasta. Very important for the pasta to be al dente. I can feel the pasta through the tongs and look at it and tell that it's al dente. However, if you don't have that experience, take a bite of it and it should be a white little dot in the center of it and be chewy. I'm going to add the pasta right into the pan, as I want all that pasta water to be drenching on the pasta into the pan. I'm going to pour a little bit of the pasta water in it, and that's what's going to make the sauce. And we're going to toss that with a little bit of lemon zest to amp up the flavor. And I'm going to add some pecorino cheese now and later. Now I'm just going to add a little bit, and I'm going to help. That's going to toss in there to distribute the cheese throughout the pasta, and also it's going to lier the sauce with the pasta water and the olive oil. And you toss that, and it's going to emulsify. And then afterwards, I will put some more on top. Okay. So let's go. Oh, nope. I need to add a little more pasta water. I want a little more sauce. You coat the pasta and kind of settle in at the bottom of the bowl. Just enough to, twist a little pasta in it and have a little bit of sauce. And I'm going to pour the rest of that juicy goodness over the pasta. I want to make sure I cover it evenly. And then I'm going to add the breadcrumb. Now, these are garlic breadcrumbs with chives in them. I usually use parsley. I didn't have any. And I like a lot of breadcrumb, because I hate to get a pasta that it doesn't have enough breadcrumb and you're out of breadcrumb after a couple bites. So give that a twist, and let's give it a try. Oh, man, I can tell you. Whew, man. That is extraordinary. Oh man, mind-blowing deliciousness. It is incredible. Give it a try.